You ever wake up feeling like you've slept on top of your stress instead of sleeping it off? Like your spine's been locked up, your breath shallow, your mind already racing? Let's shift that. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with the nervous system resets. In stillness and slow breath. Drop into child's pose, hips back towards your heels, forehead to the ground. Let your arms stretch long, then glide forward into sphinx. Elbows under shoulders, chest rising gently. This wave from flexion to extension isn't just movement, it's communication. You're telling your body, we're safe to release. I promise this move calms your mind, hydrates your spine, and creates space in your breath. Beginners, keep knees wide and elbows a little forward. Advanced stretches, hold each end range 2 to 3 seconds with full exhale. Here's a truth most people don't know. One of the fastest ways to regulate your mood is through your spine. Hold this last inhale in sphinx. Exhale slowly. That just unlocked your nervous system. Now let's open the front line. Press the tops of your feet into the ground. Palms under shoulders, gently lift your chest. Keep your elbows soft, eyes forward or slightly upward. This isn't about forcing height, it's about owning space. I promise, Cobra decompresses your lower back, improves posture, and activates the muscles that hold you upright. Before the day tries to pull you down, beginners stay low and use forearms for support. Advanced stretches, press up higher but pull your heart forward, not just up. Here's a question. Are you holding tension or lifting from strength? Hold this last rep 5 seconds. Breathe into your belly. That just recenters your spine. Now let's spiral and release. Lie flat, one arm out to the side. Bend your opposite knee and twist it over your body. Roll gently onto the overstretched arm. This one hits deep. This isn't just a spinal twist, it's a full body wake up. I promise this opens your shoulders, massages your spine, and eases the hips all in one go. Keep the bend shallow and arms at 90 degrees. Try rotating both the knee and shoulder deeper. This move helps release the front of the body by twisting through the back. Switch sides. Can you feel one side tighter than the other? That's data. That's your body talking. Just reset your rotation. Now let's curl inward and soften. Lie on your back, hug one knee in, switch at 30 seconds. This is where we slow it way down. Most people only stretch their backs when they hurt, but prevention begins here. I promise this will ease your lower back, open your sacrum, and gently reset your breathing rhythm. Beginners, one knee at a time. Advanced stretches, try hugging both knees in for the last 10 seconds. Let's play a little game. Hold your last stretch. Can you pull the knee in a little closer without tension in the shoulders? That just softens your spine. Let's finish with grounded posture. Sit tall, soles of your feet together. Let the knees drop out to the sides. This one reveals everything. If your hips are tight, your breath shallow, or your mind restless, you'll feel it here. I promise, butterfly opens the hips, relaxes the pelvic floor, and brings balance to the entire body. Beginners, sit on a pillow or block to elevate your hips. Advanced stretches, fold forward with a flat spine. Chest leading. Last challenge. Can you hold for 5 seconds with your chest tall, shoulders relaxed, and mind still? You made it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. It's completely free to start, all delivered daily to your email inbox. Go ahead and tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.